Hi, this is Ed from Nerd&Tech. This is just a quick advisory video to let you know next time you're installing any type of third-party applications on your computer, just be wary of the wordings and what you're exactly installing. My first example here is going to be Adobe Flash Player. As you see in front of me, it has the Install Now button right here, but if you check under Optional Offers, this area is usually checked. And once that area is checked, you will be installing McAfee Security Scan Plus on your computer to be running in the background at all times. Maybe you don't want that. If you have a program such as AVG or Nortron, this can actually cause AVG or Nortron to not work as well as it should be working. So always take a look at things when you're about to install them. My next example I'm going to use is Yahoo Messenger. When you're installing Yahoo Messenger, it will automatically have these two areas checkboxed, and the first one makes Yahoo your home page. So every time you open up your browser, Yahoo is the first thing that loads up. And the second one is making Yahoo your default search engine. So for example, on my computer, I always have Google as my default search engine. And if I type in Nerd&Tech up there, yeah, my Wi-Fi is a little bit slow today. Basically, when I type in Nerd&Tech up here, it's automatically gonna search it on Google's search engine and not Yahoo's. There you go, it came up. So if you make Yahoo your default search engine, this area up here that a lot of people use for searching will point directly to Yahoo instead of wherever else you had it pointing beforehand. Another reason why you wouldn't want to have Yahoo as your homepage, or any website for that matter as your homepage, is when you're opening up a browser, it takes a little bit longer if you actually have a homepage on it. So for example, on mine's, I always use Firefox's default homepage. This doesn't connect to anything. It won't connect to anything until I search something in this area and click search. What's the benefit of this is basically when I open up my browser, it pops open immediately. There's no lag, there's no pause waiting for the page to load up. Obviously, if you're on a T2, T3 connection, that's not going to make an issue at all. But basically, make sure that these two are unchecked when you're installing Yahoo Messenger. Just make sure that you read everything, especially anything with a checkbox right there. Make sure you know what you're installing on your computer, or else your computer can result in a bunch of toolbars that you didn't want on your browser, uh, a lot of stuff running in your task manager area, and all these things can eventually slow down, not only slow down your computer actually, but it can also result in extra spyware and malware being installed on your computer as well. So just be careful, know what you're downloading before you download it, and just be safe. All right, have a good night.